Good morning. February 27, 2025. Review lang ito ng ride ko tsaka yung newly installed tires. Yesterday, binalonan ko Kamiling 58 kilometers. Kamiling Tarlac. Okay naman yung gulong. Wala siyang flat. Wala kung ano man. Hindi siya nag-deflate. Okay lang naman. However, the day before kasi repack tayo ng hubs, so medyo kumalog siya kasi naibuga yata yung extra grease, but that's fine. So chinek ko ngayon. Actually dito ako sa Moncada, Tarlac, going back 40 kilometers more para sa bahay. Okay naman yung clearance ng hubs. So far the gulong is okay din. Hindi siya deflate, wala, hindi siya lumambot or may bukol. So compass, mukhang it's doing its job for its first long ride. Actually ito yung first na long ride niya. Ngayon ko lang ginawa ito, isang 58 kilometers na one shot, and the following day naman yung 60, which is ngayon. Naka 20 kilometers na ako, 40 more to go. As I've said, nandito ako sa Moncada. Nagkaroon lang ng water break. Also checking the equipment, the bike, everything. And I think God is helping me para hindi magkaroon ng aberya. So far so good. And that's it.